Used to wonder why the world felt loud, why my mind ran fast while others slowed down. Some days it felt like I was wired all wrong, but then I opened up your word and heard your song. You said you knit me in my mother's womb, every thread, every thought, every room. You don't make mistakes and you don't make clones. You make masterpieces sitting on your throne. So I'm learning how to praise you for the way you made my brain. Not broken, just different, and different ain't a shame. I'm fearfully and wonderfully wired. Every spark in this mind was designed by the fire. Hyperfocus on Jesus, intensity for the King. This wiring ain't a burden, it's a gift you gave to me. Wonderfully wired, wonderfully made. I'll use every part for your glory and praise. Not too much, not too little. I'm exactly who you planned. Wonderfully wired in the palm of your hand. Some days the process feels like a storm, but even in the chaos, you're keeping me warm. You turn the questions into conversations. With you, and the things that overwhelm become worship too. You gave me eyes that see what others might miss, a heart that feels deep and a mind that won't quit. So I'll steward this wiring like the treasure it is, and offer every frequency back to the giver of gifts. Now I'm learning how to thank you for the way you made my mind. Not less than, just different, and different is just fine. I'm fearfully and wonderfully wired. But God, you took what the world calls strange, and you turned it into purpose with your holy flame. Every too much, every not enough, you redeemed it with your blood and your love. Now this wiring is a tool in your hand for such a time as this. In your promised land, I'm fearfully and wonderfully wired. Every spark in this mind was designed by the fire. Hyperfocus on Jesus, intensity for the King. This wiring ain't a burden, it's a gift you gave to me. Whoa, wonderfully wired, wonderfully made. I'll use every part for your glory and praise. Not too much, not too little. I'm exactly who you planned. Wonderfully wired in the palm of your hand. Yeah, I'm wonderfully wired in the palm of your hand. Thank you, Jesus, for the way you made me.